Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Everything, and today we're going to be doing a possible airdrop. Okay, so this video is different from what we've been doing. Okay, so this is a different it's different from Optimism or Arbitrum. So this is we are very early in this one. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to do to get the possible airdrop that is likely. Okay, so but before we do, if you are new to my channel, this is Crypto Everything, where I cover everything related to crypto airdrops. Okay, so what you need to do right now is click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified anytime I drop videos like this, because sometimes I drop time sensitive airdrops and you need to just join. And then my Telegram channel is going to be in the link, the description below. Please join my Telegram, because some of the times I do share content that I can make as a video, so quick content. So do join my Telegram channel and be a part of my family. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing today is the Aztec possible airdrop. Okay, so this is the Aztec right here. Okay, and it is backed up by a Paradigm. Okay, so for those of you that don't know Paradigm, it's a very big platform, okay, that hosts a lot of projects. Okay, and Aztec is part of those projects. Okay, so the reason why we are doing this is because most of the projects backed up by Paradigm is most of them, they've done airdrops. Once they have a token, they do airdrops. As you can see, there's Argent here, there is Blood, there's several major projects here, right here. So Aztec right now is very new on the Paradigm, and right now, as you can see, it has raised over 100 million to build encrypted Ethereum for their Series B. Okay, so in 2021 they did Series A and they raised up to $17 million, okay, for the Series A, but now they've raised up to $100 million. Okay, so this is a reason for us to do this. Okay, and right now Aztec has created their own protocol, okay, their first protocol, which is the ZK money, and that is what we're going to be interacting with right here. So if you go on there to Twitter, as you can see right here, they have a good following, 71k followers. Okay, right here, as you can see, ZK money, this is their first protocol on the Aztec, backed up by Paradigm. Okay, so we are going to be doing bits of some stuff right here, so just follow me through. So also I'll leave a step-by-step link, step-by-step here guide here for you to go through, so that maybe you find it difficult to understand my video, or just go through it by yourself. Okay, so but all of these steps we're going to be doing it in this video, so just stick by me and let's do it. Okay, so for this I'm going to go over back to a new browser, because this is my ZK money account and I've already logged in. Okay, so I'm gonna go to a new browser, try to show you step by step on how I arrived there, and I'm gonna come back here and take it off from there. Okay, so we're gonna move to a new browser right now. So this is the ZK money. Okay, so first thing, when you come over here, the links are going to be there. All you have to do is click on Shield now. Okay, if you click on Shield now, make sure your wallet address is connected, your wallet is connected, MetaMask, and it should be on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so we're going to be using real money here, because we're going to be doing some deposits and do some withdrawals, just to create, interact with it. So the first thing we need to do when we come here is just to click on Retrieve Aztec address. Okay, so we have to sign it. Okay, so make sure your wallet is connected and you're going to sign it. It's not going to take any money from you. This is just a standard signing. Okay, so after you're done signing in, the next thing you want to do is click on retrieve pending keys. Okay, so these keys that you're going to retrieve, they're going to be sensitive, so make sure you do not show them to anybody. Okay, so you're going to save them somewhere where that is easily accessible but not public. Okay, so all right, so we have done that. The next thing I want to do is copy to clipboard. Okay, so this contains your Aztec wallet address and some sensitive keys. Okay, so make sure it's safe. Okay, click copy to save clipboard, and then click on next step. Okay, now we want to create a username. Okay, so this is going to be particular to you. Make sure you create a unique username. So I have already used mine, so I can create a different one. Let's say so after creating your username, okay, so the next thing you want to do with this place, this is important, because this is going to determine how much you're going to be spending for gas fees. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's a default speed. So as you can see here, it's 2 hours. So most of the time it depends on the network congestion. It's usually more. It can be up to 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, depending on how congested the network is right now. So if you want default speed, you're going to be paying 46 cents for each deposit. So if you are about to deposit here, you're going to be spending 46 cents for this. Okay, but if you don't want to wait for that, if you want to wait for 7 minutes only, you're going to be paying up to almost $9. Okay, so it depends on you. So if you have 2 hours to wait or not, just choose. So normally I would advise you to go for the smaller one. Okay, just click on that, and then this right here, you go to open the amount. So you can see here, right here showing me 0 Ethereum. This is because I have 0 Ethereum in this wallet that I'm using. Okay, so if you had Ethereum on the mainnet, not on zksync or Arbitrum or Optimism, it has to be on the layer 1. Okay, so if you have layer 1 Ethereum, it's going to show up here. Then you can choose from how much you want to deposit from what you have here over here. So you're going to put it in there, and then just click on register. So once you click on register, depending on the speed that you chose, if you chose 7 minutes, in 7 minutes time, it's going to appear in your wallet. But if you chose 2 hours, in 2 hours time, then the funds are going to appear. So the next thing you're going to get, or the next interface you're going to see after this step, is this right here. So this is where you're gonna get to after that. Okay, so if you've just deposited, okay, so if you just deposited, if you choose 7 minutes, it's going to show you you're gonna have to wait for 7 minutes before you get these double ticks. Okay, so but if you chose 2 hours, you're gonna get 1 tick, but the other tick is not gonna show up because you have to wait for 2 hours more for it to actually reflect here in your account. So I've waited for some days right now. That's why I have it here. Okay, so this is basically what we need to do here. So there are some other things that we can do here. If we can choose to earn. Okay, so this is the earn part. You can choose to interact with this if you want to, but personally, if you have money, do try to put in more money. So if you have $100, $200, $1,000, you know, $1,000 deposit, once deposit is better than $10 depositing like 50 times. You know, it's you know, more volume is better. Okay, so right here, this is the end platform, so you can deposit here to end. So you're going to be getting a 1.67% APY if you do deposit here. So these are the end platform boxes, so choose which one you want if you want to, but so it's just to interact with the platform, so you get the whole idea. So right here, right now, the trade platform, this trade is under construction, so it's not available yet. So maybe you can check here from time to time so that you get the best out of this. So you know, the more money you use, the more you interact with the platform, the more likelihood you're going to get an airdrop when it happens. Okay, so another thing you can do is you can send to somebody else. Okay, so you can send to a person that is already on ZK money, or a user, so you or you can withdraw back to your layer 1. Okay, so like if you want to send to somebody, all you have to do is click on send, and you're going to see two tabs here. You can see withdraw to layer 1 or send to layer 2. So if you are sending to layer 2, you're going to be sending to somebody that's already on ZK money. So and my wallet address right here, or my handle is crypto everything, crypto_everything. Okay, so this is my address. So if you want to send, so I would advise you to send, you know, very little money. Okay, so that way you do some transactions. As you can see right here, I have done like 2 transactions already to a different wallet. Okay, so you're going to, if you look down here, send some, just, you know, very little money. It's just, it doesn't have to be anything. It could be 1 cent, 2 cents. Just make sure you do send something. That way there is you know, you have a history of transactions. Okay, so so you can use mine. I'm going to leave it there at crypto_everything. Okay, so and then you can put in the amount you want to send. Okay, so you can put in any amount, and it's going to take you, I think it's going to cost about 15 cents or 10 cents thereabout for you to send whatever amount you want to send. Okay, so let's say you do not want to send to anybody, which I advise you to do, try to send. But if you don't want to send and you want to withdraw back to your layer 1, okay, like if you want to withdraw back to your MetaMask account, all you have to do is click on withdraw to layer 1. Okay, and then put in the wallet address right here that you want to withdraw to. So if it's your wallet address, it's your MetaMask, you put it right there and put in the amount you want to withdraw, and it's going to tell you how long it's going to take right here. So as you can see, we chose the 2 hours default speed. Okay, it's going to cost us 85 cents right now. This is based on the network congestion. Sometimes these 2 hours could cost you just 20 cents, 30 cents, depends. It can even cost you higher. So maybe you should watch out for the time and, you know, network congestion to know which is better. Okay, so after you're done that, you're going to have to wait for 2 hours before your ZK money gets into your Ethereum layer 1 or in your MetaMask. Okay, so that is pretty much all you have to do in this, and it's very simple. Like I said, all of the steps here I already said all of them. You're going to have to do them step by step. As you can see, you have to connect your wallet, deposit at least 0.1. The 0.1 depends on you. If you want to deposit more, is better. More is always better. So like I said, it's pretty easy. Just try to interact with this platform every now and then if you can. Okay, and like I said, this is Crypto Everything. This is all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any concerns or any gray areas that you want me to clear out, please just leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out. Okay, like I said, join my Telegram channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.